Today is December 17th, 2010. Now we have Claire. She's in the same outfit as Chloe today, so you might be confused by the other video of Chloe rolling, but this is Claire. Claire! Hi! Hi! Tell them how you were laughing. Claire. Hee 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 hee. Hee hee hee. Ha 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 ha. Hi. Hi. Arrrr. Hi. 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 It's funny. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Ah. 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 What are you doing? Is that funny? Why do you guys always do this to mommy? Laugh and smile, and I turn the camera on and... Nope. No more. Tiki 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 tiki. Oh, fine. Oh, fine. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.